is Sugar Allen's Adventures. Today we are giving you an interior stateroom 3023 room tour on Navigator of the Seas. So without any further ado, let's go inside and check it out. There's my personal assistant, Shug. Alright, so with this room, you've got muster station C8, which is on deck 4. You've got the master light switch here. This card right here has to be in there in order for all the lights to come on. They put that there so you don't have to put in your CPAS card. Outside here, you've got your restroom. This is the light switch to turn it off and on. This is your thermostat to set up the temperature in your room. Going inside your restroom, it's a rather small restroom, I think, compared to some of the other rooms that we've been in. You've got your shower here. It does not have the dreaded shower curtain. It's got the doors, which is nice. So removable shower head, of course. You've got your shampoo. That should be the shampoo and body wash. It says 2-in-1. Got your towels. Got your toilet. Got a few shelves over here. And some drinking glasses. Down here you've got one more shelf. And you got your toilet blow brush. And your sink. Bar of soap. Alan, that's me, hello. Okay, that's it for the restroom. Not very big. And then, let's spin around here. Inside here, storage. Got your life vest up on top. You've got your hangers. You've got additional rack here to hang items on and shelves. And you can put your suitcases in here if you want. Coming out of there, we got some more shelves, and we got a safe in here. Not big enough to put like a laptop, but you could fit a smaller tablet or your personal items like your passport and such. What else we got, Shug?
And then right here you have your refrigerator. Well, I'm going to call it a chiller.
Okay.
Yeah, because it doesn't get too cold, but put your items in it. Here you have a desk drawer.
All right.
Over here you're going to have your hair dryer. And then you have 2 more drawers, so I would say plenty of drawer space. You have some additional space up here to put some items.
Got a TV. Looks like about a 32 inch,
I'd say 32.
Looks like about a 32. You got 2 US outlets there, 1 European outlet. You also have the switch here for your vanity. We got a little couch behind us. Definitely not big enough to sleep on unless you want your legs to hang off the edge. You also got a full-size mirror here, so you can check yourself out on the way out of your room. Make sure you're looking appropriate. And you got your bed here. It does separate into 2 twin beds. They would move those off to the side and then put the 2 nightstands in the middle. You got your telephone over there, which does have a USB port for charging, and a master light switch over there to turn on and off the lights. Let me give you a view of the room here from the other side. That's it. That's what your room looks like on the other side. We thank you for watching. We appreciate you stopping by Sugar Allen's Adventures. If you're not already a member, please consider becoming one. A subscriber, just click that button below, hit the notification bell, hit the like button if you liked the video, and hopefully it was informative and you liked it. And we will see you on our next adventure.